Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up your Pokemon TCG play area. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon. First, playmat. Use a playmat to organize your space. Active spot. Place your active Pokemon in the center and leave space for up to 5 benched Pokemon below the active spot, and place your shuffled deck on your right side, and keep it near your deck for used cards, and place 6 cards face down on your left as your prize cards, and keep attached energy or tools near Pokemon in play. And this setup ensures smooth and organized gameplay. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.